If you're thinking about working multiple jobs, you're probably already aware of some of the benefits. Making more money, learning some new skills, maybe even exploring a new career path. While all of these are great, it's important to keep in mind that there are some hidden costs involved as well. Multiple jobs means multiple schedules. You'll need to successfully balance these, and that can be difficult. If you're not organized, it can get stressful and you may end up losing one or more of your jobs. If you work 2 jobs in one day, your employers will also need to know your availability. You'll have to make sure your schedules don't overlap and that you have enough time to get from one job to another. And if you need to take time off for any reason, you'll need to coordinate this with all of your employers. Another hidden cost is trying to maintain a healthy work-life balance. The more time you spend at work, the less time you have to devote to things like your family, relationships, hobbies, and more. So before you pick up another job, you're going to want to weigh its benefits against the time that it'll take up. You'll probably want to talk about this with your family or significant other because it'll impact them too. Working a lot of hours can also be a big source of stress. If you get too burned out, it can take a toll on your work performance and possibly affect your health. Losing sleep, getting sick, or just having an overall bad mood are a few ways it could negatively impact you. If you feel like multiple workloads would be too much to handle, you might want to reconsider having another job. While working several jobs is a great way to make more money, it can also create extra expenses. You'll need to pay for transportation between jobs, and you may end up eating out more since you'll have less time to prepare meals. And if you have kids, and you or your family can't be with them, you'll need to pay for childcare. We realize all of this sounds pretty negative, but don't let it discourage you. These are just some things to think about before making a final decision. You might find that you're able to handle the effects of working multiple jobs. In the end, it's entirely up to you and really depends on your own personal circumstances.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.